Procurement Dashboard Summary. There are 3 critical, 2 warning, and 1 on track. KPIs show this is the area with the most critical issues. 4 of 10 purchase orders are overdue. The worst is PO 40298 from Olive Tech for $125,000 in equipment, now 8 days late and threatening the maintenance schedule. PO 40299 from Pacific Brine for $22,100 needs immediate resourcing to an alternate vendor. Global Seal Industries has earned a grade D vendor score with only 64% on-time delivery and 7.2% return rate. They are the weakest vendor in the supply chain. 5 approved requisitions totaling $75,000 are waiting for PO conversion, including critical manzanilla raw material. 4 actions required: escalate the Olive Tech PO, resource the rejected Pacific Brine PO, convert all 5 requisitions to POs today, schedule a quarterly business review with Global Seal. Procurement AI Agents, moving procurement from reactive issue management to intelligent autonomous action.